Biodiesel by Kate McShaffrey. So, what is biodiesel? It is a form of diesel fuel that is derived from animals and plants. It is also called fatty acid methyl ester, FAME. It is a renewable energy source. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions and lessens the dependence on fossil fuels, and is a replacement for petroleum-based diesel fuel, and is also non-toxic and biodegradable. So, how is biodiesel cultivated? It is produced by combining alcohol with vegetable oil, animal fat, or recycled cooking grease. It goes through the process of transesterification, which is a process that converts fats and oils into biodiesel and glycerin. A current research is being conducted on developing algae as a potential biodiesel feedstock. And then this is the picture that shows that process. So, how has biodiesel grown? Biodiesel was rarely consumed and produced in the United States until the early 2000s. Since then, U.S. biodiesel consumption and production increased substantially, largely because of the availability over time. And then this shows how it increased over time. The impact on the carbon footprint. So, using biodiesel in place of petroleum diesel significantly reduces the life cycle carbon emissions. Research shows that it also reduces emissions of toxic air pollutants in older on road vehicles and in many off road applications. In general, it has a low carbon footprint across its building, extraction, transportation, and building backstages, and emits less CO2 than gasoline and diesel fuel when burned. So, the economic impact. It helps diversity energy sources, can boost agriculture sector, and create jobs and production. So $23.2 billion has been made in its total U.S. Economy impact. And then $17 billion in economic activity, $21.6 billion in economic output, and 75,200 U.S. jobs. So how it's communicated to the public? Public education campaigns, media, and sensitives help communicate biodiesel's benefits and encourage its use. Companies usually emphasize its use in reducing carbon emissions. They are also often detail how it's made from renewable resources and how it can be used as a direct replacement for traditional diesel. The goal is to provide information that encourages the public to make eco-friendly choices. And finally, analyzing and the plan of action. So, the rapid growth of the biofuels industry has been driven by private sector innovation. So, to sustain that growth, it is essential for the federal government to work in partnership with the private sector to achieve improvements across feedstocks likely to be in use over the near and longer terms. And then these are my resources.